He took the hang in there too literally, right?
Quem fez bagunça? Fala pra mim.
A passenger princess, literally.
If you love animals and want to see more videos, like and subscribe.
What are you doing in there? No, ma'am.
This welcome home surprise really exceeded all expectations.
How dare you shut that door in front of me? Have your favourite taste on a human's body.
Isaac? Isaac? What happened to the candy corn? Where'd the candy corn go? Did you eat that too today while I was gone?
This is my place. Get out of the way.
Come on, Misty. Can you do it?
Slides are something that is very appealing to children and even dogs.
Yeah, so you just put it right there on the edge and it sucks it right up.
What a new step in productivity, using your mouth to dig the ground. Inspector Paws on the case, flipping bugs and solving mysteries.
You can't finish a full yoga session when your brother is around.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. There's kind of too.
All for snack. Who knew dogs were such skilled negotiators?
Hey, Toma! Daddy!
What did you do? Brady, were you on the couch?
Ready? Get him, Molly.
When the ball is live, but you're not coordinated.
You don't want that?
Charlie, did you do that? Did you do this right here? Who tore that Kleenex up? Casey? Casey, did you tear the Kleenex up?
Bam, come on. Bam.
If you don't know, dogs can also use filters.
She goes, she's running up, it looks good, and no, there she goes, and she's taking off.
I had a couple Red Bulls. Have you ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before.
My boss asked why I left early. I showed him the reason.
But you can't really see it right now, unless you do this.
Somebody help! My dog thinks he's either a gymnast or a goat.
Only the most delicate dogs know the difference between snow in different places.
Ven. Déjalo, ahí viene.
Give me my Taco Bell back. Give me my Taco Bell bag.
The owner of this ear seems to need some help.
Hey!
Motzi? You pushing yourself away? Where are you going? Come here.
Just as the Earth orbits the Sun, a dog's love for mud is undeniable.
What are you doing? Come here right now. Excuse me. No zoomies. What is going on? What are you doing?
What did you do? What did you do? Who was the naughty dog? Did you eat kale?
Are you gonna let me have a nap? Is that a yes or is that a no? Okay, I guess it's a no.
You know that pup's the golden child when he...
That cave? Nah. Emotional support was the real need.
Oh, buddy! What did you do? Come on, bud, I gotcha.
Since when did bath time become a team sport?
I know you're mad at me, but it was for your own good. I love you so much, baby. I'm sorry. You mad at me? Okay, you're mad at me. What have you done? What have you done?
Who chewed this? Who did this? Braxton, look at this. Did you chew this up? Did you do this? Don't turn your head from... Did you do this, Braxton?
Look at the screen.
That's mine.
Pina.
Fighting with yourself, be like...
He probably suspects he has a toy in his head.
New bag of dog food. Who got into that? Who got into the dog food?
Did you do this? Did you do this? Winston.
Oh my god!
How do I play this game?
You have to catch it.
Okay, I'll catch it. All right. Okay.
You may close the gates, but the dog never gives up.
Odin, were you a bad dog? Did you poop on the rug?
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more funny animals, don't forget to like and subscribe.